Now Range Rover too. Now have money. Well on the pass. And JadaKins that. Now JadaKins.
Yeah, baby.
Mouttxt.
Baby.
Outside.
What's that?
Round teeth man shank. Humbugla! Smile. Smile a while and give your face a rest. Watch that, yeah. Watch the little grin in her face. Watch the little grin in her face. Yeah, yo, jackpot.
I wrote this song for spite. No.
Stop coming up my life.
She don't want in her life.
And telling me you want sex.
She not gonna get no boom boom.
Caress it on your chest, no.
Oh, thank God.
Cause it might get short breath. Mouttxt can't handle this fight.
Yeah, I know.
Dildo, I could come out tonight.
Oh, gosh.
See, yeah, I could get cocked tonight. Pills and weed fully done tonight.
So people pick me. Yeah, them a watch me like a nigga. Yeah. So I do start react to the video paper, but I don't know if it's a vibe on the channel already. This is the third video of the day, but I think I post it first, but no. No, but now I post it first. No. Right now we got Mouttxt. That song for his wife JadaKins official music video. Bomba claw reaction by the who? By the who? By the who? Reaction by the reaction Bomba Kubel boss. Tick the like button. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video. Are you ready to get the girl them? Wet up. Run tune. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
This song is dedicated to a legend.
Bang, bang, boom.
I wanna get you back on this
Look
side
for
of
the
the
man.
fence, baby.
Hey.
Girl, your pussy is
Calling. Oh, Bob. You know, I said their tongue to their bumbuck belt lip. Why upon tongue argument? Because I said, oh, the man so like my list tongue. So look how the man. I know that. I didn't know that. Go on.
Girl, your pussy
The push is calling. Yeah.
We always not the morning.
Morning. Yeah. What am I do?
Me beat it up.
Breathless. No. Not that part there. Body. But the feelings inside you. Watch your man face and pressure them. But now weed.
I wrote this song for
Fight. Oh, fuck.
She called me by my first name.
First time.
Say I'm
Mouttxt. I mean.
Yeah, you are
Fuck tonight.
punching on condoms, no
Candlelight.
Jill, please don't turn off.
Don't fly like JPS. You feel like
Gonna love my
tonight.
a loving that you never experienced.
Yeah.
So me go the extra distance.
What you mean?
Time me message your response. So fast, pretty face and your cute ass. No other girl can get my attention.
Shan.
Stand firm, you are my selection.
Yeah. What am I do?
Me and you together, that perfection.
Are you manager on the ground?
Invincible together.
Live. I want to go and answer now. Okay. Now Range Rover too. Now have money. Well on the pass. And JadaKins that. Now JadaKins.
Yeah, baby.
Mouttxt.
Baby.
Outside.
What's that?
Round teeth man shank. Humbugla! Smile. Smile a while and give your face a rest. Watch that, yeah. Watch the little grin in her face. Watch the little grin in her face. Yeah, yo, jackpot.
I wrote this song for spite. No girl can't give it this fight. She called me by my first name.
No, hold on, pause. Pause. So I go on for the bikini and thing in a jacuzzi, you know, my friend. What are you doing? What are you doing? Red June. Shut up, fair dog. Candlelight. light.
You're gonna love man tonight.
Yeah.
Pussy, it calling,
What is supposed to be, dog?
calling.
Shout out to the man.
We always not the morning.
Morning.
Me beat it up.
What? What up, boss? Put in the jacuzzi and thing, my friend. Yeah, my friend. So why you in a bikini, or a bathing suit, or a swimsuit then, or some dog? You didn't make the video look, you know? Give them on them props, dog. Bumbuckle belt.
Rest it on my chest, yeah.
No.
Rest it on my
Body.
Say that you love
Bumbuckle belt.
me. I wrote this
Song for spite.
No girl can
Give me this
it
voice.
She call me by my first name.
What's your first name?
Say I'm Mouttxt.
What?
Girl, you wanna get fucked tonight?
She said no. But I she said no.
Please don't turn
Off the light
You're gonna love my
tonight. Calling.
This song is dedicated to a lesbian.
Calling.
I wanna get you back on this side of the fence, baby.
Sound done? Man wicked. Right now got the what? The JadaKins response. Yeah. Me what she have to say? What am I say? What she say?
A fully undeveloped guy.
Undeveloped guy.
Mouttxt, stop calling.
Ooh!
Calling.
No!
Calling.
You hear that, Mouttxt?
Stop texting. Texting.
She don't text my youth. You know why?
Stop coming up my life.
She don't want it in her life.
And telling me you want sex.
She not gonna get no pum pum.
Caress it on your chest, no.
Oh, thank God.
Cause it might get short breath. Mouttxt can't handle his fight.
Yeah, I know.
Dildo, I could come out tonight.
Oh, gosh.
Mouttxt, yeah, I could get cocked tonight. Pills and weed fully done tonight. You ball out my nickname. Scream it's JadaKins. And I'm leaving on the lights to a week.
Pause. Run tune.
Scream it's JadaKins. And I'm leaving on the lights to a we I could be by tonight. You would bend up like your body and your balls back saggy. Your sperm count on zero. Mouttxt, you can't breathe me. They gone with your teeter and you're calling for mommy. If I come on that side of the fence, Mouttxt, you can't protect me. I can't even get to hold your hand and take you to the movies. You can't take my shopping. You can't take my swimming. You can't do nothing.
Nothing at all,
It's like
basically.
a baby I'm whining. Mouttxt, I really love you, boy, but I love you as a brethren.
Friend zone.
Mouttxt, yeah, I will get cocked tonight. Pills and weed fully done tonight. You ball out my nickname. Scream it's JadaKins. And I'm leaving on the lights to a we I will be by tonight. Mouttxt, stop calling. Stop texting.
JadaKins, you're really surprised with this now, but not lie.
Stop coming.
You're really surprised with this. Precious, yo, she knocked me out.
You want sex.
She knocked me out, Precious say, yo, I'm gonna get cooked tonight. Me say, what the ball buckley. But people want to go check out Mouttxt video. You see me I say, go check out JadaKins video too, you understand? Go over there, go support them thing, them do them thing, you see me I say. Make sure you like this, you see me? You see me? Me rate to them are the writers of dog, you understand me? Me never know see them link to it, like them I try like link to each other until I see them on the same instrumental and see them link up in the video. And I say, oh, but it's a good look. You see me I say, right up the like button, tear up the like button, comment on the video if you're new, subscribe if you're new. We'll try 20K by next week. Right soon, I'm out.